everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about raspberries, and I've got a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to blend well with raspberries. So if you're looking for some ideas on something different to do, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we've got almonds, chicken, duck, ham, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, nuts in general, and pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, poppy seeds, pork, and turkey all go well with raspberries. In the way of vegetables, asparagus, now that's an interesting one, greens like salad greens, rhubarb, and also spinach. Well, we're talking about fresh spinach here, as in a salad. In the way of other fruits that are known to go well with raspberries, we have apples, apricots, bananas, other types of berries of all sorts, citrus fruits, figs, grapefruit, grapes, lemon, lime, mangoes, melons, nectarines, oranges, papayas, peaches, pears, pineapple, plums, quince, tangerine, and watermelon. That sounds really good. Watermelon and raspberries. Different. In the way of grains and grain products, there's graham crackers, oats, and oatmeal. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's buttermilk, cheese, cream, creme fraiche, ice cream, mascarpone, milk, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's chocolate, and that includes both white and dark chocolates, honey, liqueurs, maple syrup, oil, sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, red wine, and sherry vinegar, and also wine. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.